A beautiful concept of matrimony has come with the hand of Shera Life Partner. A bridge will be creating with the matrimonial candidate. Any person like fresher, divorcee, widow and widower can get this chance after buying the matrimonial card from the franchisee of West Bengal, Sikkim, Andaman Nicobar and also other states for only 1200 rupees. After buying the card, a candidate should enroll his or her name in www.sheralifepartner.com. System creates a profile for the matrimonial candidate and every enrolled matrimonial candidate will be given a beautiful Shera Life Partner number. According to this project, after enrolling their name, every candidate will get a Shera Life Partner number and also a password. Matrimonial candidate will update their contact detail, address, caste, service, personality, family background, educational qualification, skill, work experience, photo, etc. A matrimonial candidate can get this chance for only one time 1200 rupees. After login in www.sheralifepartner.com, a matrimonial candidate can see the other candidates' all data like photo, contact detail, address, caste, service, personality, family background, educational qualification, skill, work experience, etc. up to 48 hours and contact with them directly. After 48 hours, they cannot see the data of matrimonial candidate, but their profile remained in the sheralifepartner.com. If success will not come up to 48 hours, any new candidate when they enter to this site and if your profile will match with the new candidate, they can contact with you. Shera Life Partner wishes your 100% success which cannot come from other site or any advertisement. Shera Life Partner start this coding concept first time in West Bengal and also in India. To create a Shera Life Partner profile, a candidate should buy Shera Life Partner card from any Shera Path franchisee in India. Why the matrimonial candidates create a Shera Life Partner profile? The advertisement issued in the newspaper is very costly and we cannot know about family background or photo. The cost is burdensome to the common people and the other matrimonial site in online is also very costly. And it is only applicable to the high middle class family and even lastly success does not come. But only for 1200 the above problem can be solved. Shera Life Partner is designed as a working tool which help to contact the guardian of matrimonial candidate with each other. Shera Life Partner is a full profile of a candidate which is enabled to show any new candidate when the new candidate enter and search data. Profile will be created at one time money Rs 1200. Shera Life Partner has built a relationship bridge and done the duty of social work. Why a candidate log in www.sheralifepartner.com. Any candidate, fresher, divorcee, widow and widower can get matrimonial data in sheralifepartner.com. A candidate can find an appropriate match according to their liking like photo, contact detail, address, caste, service, personality, family background, educational qualification, skill, work experience, etc. If any candidate can stay in a distance of huge mile in sheralifepartner.com, we can get the candidate in a distance of 1 mile. Advertisement, contact with neighbor and friend is the usual custom of marriage and it can take a huge time, but in this system we can get our choiceable person within a short span of time. Advertisement is also very costly, but sheralifepartner.com is not as costly as advertisement. After marriage, a matrimony candidate informs his or her ID number in www.sheralifepartner.com. Then company will delete his or her data, or they himself or herself can delete his data from company's profile.